Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove WordPress sites 5 icon. Why would you want to know how to remove WordPress sites 5 icon? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to remove WordPress sites 5 icon. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing WordPress sites 5 icon is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will remove WordPress sites 5 icon. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to appearance in the left menu and then click on customize. Now in this new page, click on site identity in the left menu and now scroll down this menu and then in site icon click on remove and then click on publish and your site 5 icon has been removed. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove WordPress sites 5 icon, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.